Hello, I am going to continue with the same topic, that is integration, miscellaneous exercise. In miscellaneous exercise, we solve question number, that is 28. Question number 28, integration pi by 6 to pi by 3, that is sin x plus cos x upon root sin 2x dx. This is very important property. In this type of questions, sin x plus cos x present or sin x minus cos x. If sin x plus cos x present in the question, then let sin x minus cos x. Then let sin x minus cos x. If sin x minus cos x is in the question, then let sin x plus cos x. Opposite of that. Therefore, let sin x plus minus cos x is equal to t. If here plus sign, then you let here minus sign. If here minus sign, then you let here plus sign. The derivative of sign, cos x plus sin x dx is equal to dt. Now sparing both sides. Sparing both sides. Sin square x plus cos square x 1 minus 2 sin x cos x sin 2x dx is equal to t square. So what is the value of sin 2x here? 1 minus t square. Now put these value in the question. I is equal to, and change the limit also, change the limit. When you put here 5 by 6, sin 30, that is 1 by 2, and put pi by 3, that is sin 60, root 3 by 2. Clear? And cos 61 by 2. Correct. 1 upon root, put the value of sin 2x, 1 minus t square dt. Yes, check again. Put the value of sin 2x. Sin 2x, 1 minus t square, and in place of sin x plus cos x dx, you can write dt, and when you latch, the limit will be changed. And can you tell me the integration of 1 upon root 1 minus t square? Very simple. That is sin inverse t. Sin inverse t. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 and root 3 minus 1 by 2. When you put upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit, the answer is 2 sin inverse root 3 minus 1 by 2. Correct? Because that sin inverse of minus, because that sin inverse of minus x, that is minus sin inverse x. In second chapter, that is the property. Here, this is the solution of question number 28. Question number 28 and question number 30 as it is. Question number 28 and 30 as it is. Question number 32. Very important question. 0 to pi x tan x upon tan x plus sec x dx. This is very important question. Can you tell me the type of this question? That is removal of x. That is removal of x. Correct? In removal of x, apply P4. Firstly remove the x, then simply with the question. And for removing x, we use property number P4. Apply P4 here. Apply P4. 0 to pi minus x tan 5 minus x tan 5 minus x plus sec 5 minus x integration 0 to pi, that is pi minus x. You know, tan pi minus x, that is minus 10x, that is minus 10x, minus 10x, minus 10x, minus sec x, minus common, then minus will be cancelled. That is sec x plus, this is second equation. On adding first and second, on adding first and second, you know that I plus I, that is 2i, I plus I 2i, 5 minus x plus x, 5 minus x plus x, that is pi only, you can write here, and limit 0 to pi, tan x upon tan x plus sec x dx. Now convert the question in the form of sine and cos. You can write here sine upon sin x plus 1 dx. Now integration 0 to pi, you can write sin x 1 minus sin x multiplying divided by 1 minus sin x, multiplying divided by 1 minus sin x. You know that pi integration 0 to pi, that is sin x minus sin square x upon 1 plus sin 1 minus sin, that is cos square x, cos square x, pi 0 to pi, separate sin by cos square x, you know, tan x sec x, and sin by cos square, tan square x, and in place of tan square x you can write sec square x minus 1, you can write sec square x minus 1. Clear? You can check. This is the type of removal of x. Firstly remove using the property of P4, then on adding the question will be simplified, after that you can solve easily. Now integration of tan x sec x, you know very well, that is sec x, and that is tan x, and that is x, 0 to pi. Further limit you can apply the limit, you know, sec pi, that is minus 1, tan pi 0, that is pi, minus put 0, sec 0 1, and tan 0 0, and that is also 0, that is pi minus 2, and pi here also written in the question. Therefore the value of I is pi by 2, pi minus 2. This is the complete solution of this very very important question. Okay, how can you solve? This is question number 32. Now next question number 33. Integration 1 to 4 x minus 1 plus x minus 2 plus x minus 3 dx. Correct? In this question, you know that breaking point is 1, breaking point 1, and our limit 1 to 4. It means only right hand side. Therefore, you can say 1 to 4 x minus 1 dx. Because the critical point is 1 and the limit 1 to 4, it means the right hand side only. Here critical point 1 to 2 and 2 to 4. Left hand side minus and right hand side plus. Here critical point, for this critical point is P. X minus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 3. 1 to 3 and 3 to 4. 1 to 3 negative of the function and this is positive of the function. Further you can solve. Correct? Just integration, simple integration, then upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. Check again. You can check. Next question number 36. Integration minus 1 to 1 x to the power 17 cos to the power 4x dx. Prove that this is equal to 1. Minus 1 to 1. You can apply property P7. You can apply property here P7. F of minus x, that is minus x to the power 17 and cos to the power 4 minus x, that is minus x to the power 17 and cos of minus x, cos x, that is equal to minus f of x. That means it is odd function, and in odd function the answer is 0. You know very well. Odd function, if function is odd, then the answer of this question is 0. Clear? Next, question number 38. Integration 38 0 to pi by 4 to tan cube x dx. Prove that is equal to 1 minus log 2. 1 minus log 2. Clear? Tan cube you can break. Tan cube you can write like this. Integration 0 to pi by 4 twice tan square x into tan x. Tan square x. In place of tan square x you can write sec square x minus 1. Clear? Therefore, twice 0 to pi by 4 multiply sec square x into tan x minus tan x dx. In this question, let tan x is equal to t. Let tan x is equal to t, and the derivative of tan x, here sec square x dx is equal to dt. Therefore, you can write twice sec square dx converted into dt. Here will become t, and the derivative of t, derivative of t square by 2. T square by 2. It means tan square x by 2 minus derivative integration of tan x, that is log cos x. 0 to pi by 4. When you apply here pi by 4, tan pi by 4, 1, and log cos 45, that is 1 by root 2. When you put 0, 0, 0, multiply by 2, 2 plus twice and minus log root x twice minus here, and that property 1 by 2 log 2, that is will cancel. 2 minus log 2. Clear? Check again. Clear? When you multiply 2 with 2, then 2 to 2 cancel. Here 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. That is right hand side. This is question number 38. Clear? Question number 40 not in our syllabus. Question number 40 not in our syllabus. 39 question number 39 you can solve using by parts. Question number 42 integration cos 2x upon sin x plus cos x whole square dx. In this question, formula of cos 2x, you know, formula of cos 2x, cos square x minus sin square x upon sin x plus cos x whole square. Apply here identity, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. One term will be cancelled. Cos x minus sin x upon sin x plus cos x. Added to that derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is sin x. So therefore the answer of this question log sin x plus cos x plus c. This is answer direct. You know that if the derivative of denominator is present in the numerator, then directly you can write log of f of x dx. Clear? This is question number 42. Question number 44. Integration 0 to 1 tan inverse, that is 2x minus 1 upon 1 plus x minus x square dx. Integration 0 to 1 tan inverse, you can write x plus x minus 1 minus x into x minus 1. Can you write like this? And you know about the property tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. You know about the property in second chapter. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Apply this property here. Integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx plus integration 0 to 1, that is tan inverse x minus 1 dx. Now integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. Apply here P4. Apply here P4. Integration 0 to 1 tan inverse. Replace x by 1 minus x, because you know that P4 a minus x, that is x only dx, and this will cancel. The result of this question is 0. Correct? Result of this question 0. Okay. Now your homework, revise exercise, miscellaneous exercise complete, and tomorrow is your test. Clear? Then revise, complete this chapter for test. Very easy question. Clear? Thank you.